Hi guys, today we're going to draw an Elsa bunny, so let's go start with the black. So let's go start. First in circle, then a big ear, then this. So this is a girl from Elsa, and Elsa says leave her alone, and that's why she has powers, and she killed Anna. With her powers, Elsa killed Anna. And Frozen too. Like that Frozen to know her body. And Elsa have red eyes. Elsa have purple eyes. Purple eyes makes Elsa prettier. Now sparkles, blue sparkle. First this for the eyes. She looks pretty with the makeup. Like a little bit. Okay. Okay, now which one else? Okay. I know.
What's that?
Sparkles. It sparkles everywhere. And I also have sparkles everywhere. In this. And I have to color this stripe. I have to color. Ooh. Good. Very good. Really, my markers is good. Okay, now right here. You know Elsa sings so loud. Elsa sings really loud.
Do you know Elsa's song?
Yes, like this. Let it go, and put it back anymore. Let it go, turn the lens well the door. I don't care what they're going to sing, let the storage on. Could never bother me anyway. Distance makes everything come small. Then the deer's enough control me. Didn't get to eat at all. It's time to see what I can do. Like that.
Do you want to color the eyes?
Which one? Oh, I forgot.
Okay. I want to listen to your song.
Oh, Mommy. Just a little small, so it can be a little small. There. Now. There. So now it's done. If you like this video, click this video below. Bye.
Bye, Zeynep.